Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about trying a meal kit service but don't want to spend a fortune, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing the latest Blue Apron coupon codes, discounts, and deals for 2025 so you can save big on fresh, chef-designed meals delivered to your door. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies Blue Apron's biggest available discount automatically, so you never have to search for codes. For those who don't know, Blue Apron is one of the most popular meal kit delivery services in the US. They send you fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and step-by-step recipes so you can cook restaurant-quality meals right at home. No meal planning, no grocery trips, just delicious dinners made easy. Here's why Blue Apron is worth trying in 2025. Fresh, high-quality ingredients sourced from trusted suppliers. Recipes designed by professional chefs. Everything from quick 15-minute meals to premium gourmet dishes. Flexible plans for 2 or 4 people with vegetarian and wellness options. Skip, pause, or cancel anytime. No long-term commitment. Helps you save time while still enjoying home-cooked meals. Now let's talk about savings. Here are the best Blue Apron deals available right now. Blue Apron Save. Get up to $180 off across your first 6 orders, plus free shipping on your first box. Save 60 BA, $60 off your first 3 boxes, perfect for trying the service without spending full price. Free Ship BA, free shipping on your first order. Flash Blue. Limited time promo for an extra discount during seasonal sales like New Year or Black Friday. And if you don't want to manually try codes, just click my special discount link in the description. It's always updated with Blue Apron's biggest active offer and applies it automatically. Pro tip, if you're new to Blue Apron, stack your welcome discount with seasonal promos. You can often get your first few boxes at a massive discount, sometimes under $5 per serving. After that, you can adjust your plan, skip weeks, or cancel anytime if it's not for you. So that's it. The best Blue Apron coupon codes and deals for 2025. If you're ready to save time, eat better, and spend less, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and get started with Blue Apron today. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips and food deals, and comment below telling me what kind of recipes you're excited to try. I'd love to hear your picks. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be expensive. With Blue Apron and these coupon codes, you can cook delicious meals and save big in 2025.